Hi everyone, welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Now today we're carrying on talking about doubling and halving. So if you haven't finished yesterday's work yet, or you want to do some more about yesterday, you can carry on with that and then move on to today's work. Okay, I've not got a PowerPoint to share with you today, I'm just going to talk you through some of the activities. So we're looking again today at doubling and halving. Okay. Now in the folder you will find the instructions for today, so let me share those with you first. Right, so you've got two YouTubes to watch. The first one is the same one as yesterday, it's the Jack Hartman song all about doubling. And the second one is halving two-digit numbers. I'll go through that with you in a moment, that's a little bit harder. But today we're carrying on with halving and doubling, and the activities in the folder include some word problem solving activities. There are some easier and some harder activities to do, but please don't feel that you need to do them all. So in the folder, you've got some easier work to do with halving and doubling. You can start with that if you'd like to. Then there's some doubling and halving word challenge cards. And then doubling and halving, which is hard. Okay, and I must stress that is particularly tricky, so only do that if you're very, very confident with your numbers. And the last one is halving with partitioning, which I'm going to show you in a moment. And this halving with partitioning matches with this YouTube clip up here. Okay, so there's quite a few things to do today, but if you haven't finished yesterday's, please do that first. Okay, I'm going to share something with you now that we're going to do today. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is halving with partitioning. So let me show you that first. Now, halving with partitioning. This is particularly useful when you've got bigger numbers such as 24, 42, 18, 36. Always look at the top at the instruction it's asking you. So double, double, half, half, double. Now the easiest way to do this is to partition the numbers, the tens and the ones. I'll show you this on my board now. Okay, so if I want to double 24, now I might easily be able to do that. Might think, oh, that's quite easy for me. So what I can do is this. There's my 24. First thing I'm going to do is partition the number. So I'm going to get 20 and 4. Now we've done lots of work on partitioning before, so you should be okay with that. So I've partitioned my number first. Then I can double 20. Now the easiest way to do that is to look at this number 2 here. I know that double 2 is 4 and double 0 is 0. And because I practiced yesterday, I know that double 4 is 8. So my answer, 48. Remember when we put them back together? 48. Okay, so that's doubling. Right, let's turn my board over. If I want to halve a number with partitioning, so I'm going to halve something now. Okay, half. I want to half it. So if I've got the number 68, I'm thinking, gosh, I can't get out 68 cubes. That would take me forever. So I'm going to partition it first. 60 and 8. And remember, I'm halving. Always remember what you're doing. So I'm going to halve it. Now, here's my little clue. Half of 6. Chop 6 in half. I know that's 3. Chop 0 in half. I still get 0. Half of 8. We practiced this yesterday. Half of 8 is 4. Put the answers together. 34. See how easy it is when you partition. Putting all our maths knowledge together to do halving and doubling. Okay, let me just pop that down. Right, so that's all that sheet is asking you to do. So let me go back to it. Okay. So when you've got this sheet here, look at what it's asking you to do at the top. Is it double? Is it half? And you could try and write some questions of your own as well, or ask your grown-up to do some for you. Okay. So let's see what else I've got to show you today. I think I had another sheet. Can't find it at the moment. Let me just have another look for you. Okay. Let me just try this one again. Oh, here we go. So these are some problem solving activities, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Okay. Now what you have to do is read the question carefully. This is a word problem. Some of them are doubles, some of them are halves. So the first question says, Cinderella has 6 crystals on her glass slippers. She had double this number on her dress. How many crystals were on her dress? Look for the clues. I can see here there's a number 6, so that's a clue. And I can see here that it says double, so that's a clue as well. You see that? And that number 6 there. So I can see both of those things are my clues. And I'm not going to tell you the answer. You can work that out for yourself. Okay, let's try a different question. Aladdin wished for 2 bags of gold. The genie gave him double. How many bags of gold did Aladdin get? So look for the clues in the question and then pop the answer somewhere over here, okay, in the little question box. All right, so that's another activity for you to do today. Remember, there's quite a few for you to do. Okay, work through them, go slowly, check your answers. All right, Mrs. Barton will see you soon. Bye, everyone. Bye.